If you're a heavy GoPro user and find yourself with a stash of batteries to charge throughout the day, then this battery charging bank could be exactly what you need. No matter which GoPro you have, it's no surprise that they suck power, especially when shooting at higher resolutions and frame rates. There's a lot of power being packed into this small frame after all. Although fortunately, we do have the ability to quickly replace batteries and continue shooting. But if you're in the middle of a shoot and a power socket isn't available, then this portable power bank will be ideal. Matte black in colour and constructed entirely of plastic, which keeps the weight down and easy enough to carry around in your camera bag, we have a very simple box-shaped design. Along with some branding on the front, we find a single power button alongside a bank of LEDs used to indicate battery charging status, as well as how much juice is remaining in its internal 10,400 mAh battery. And that's what makes this charger unique. That built-in battery is enough to charge several GoPro batteries simultaneously. A single press of the button highlights the power status of that built-in battery, each light indicating 25% of battery capacity remaining. Sticking with GoPro batteries though, upon opening the top lid we find some spaces that can be removed to reveal 3 GoPro battery charging bays. Insert a battery and we begin charging from that internal unit. No connection to an external power source required. Now GoPro batteries did increase in size with later generations, although these removed spaces can be used to insert older batteries, making sure the pull tab is sticking up, after which it can be inserted into a charging bay to charge as normal, hence making this single battery charging bank compatible with batteries from the Hero 5 all the way up to the latest Hero 10. As it stands, the unit can fully charge a GoPro Hero 9 or 10 battery within 2.5 hours, and Hero 8 and older batteries in 1 hour 50 minutes. Better still, by closing the magnetically held lid, you can throw this into your camera bag and keep filming, knowing your spare batteries are not only safely stored away, but being charged at the same time. And if that wasn't enough, within the top lid you'll also find space to store up to 4 microSD memory cards, which is a nice touch, and better still, around the back of the unit are 2 USB ports. The USB-C port can not only be used as an input to charge that built-in 10,400 mAh power bank battery, but both of these Type-C and Type-A ports can be used as outputs too, meaning they can be used to charge devices such as your smartphone, even the battery within your GoPro itself. All in all, it's a rather neat design. Not only does the GoPro charging case have a built-in safety integrated circuit with multiple self-protection functions, making it safe and stable, but it's easy to use too, with indicator lights on clear display, acting as a large power bank for external devices via both its Type-A and Type-C ports, a storage case for microSD cards, and a portable charging station for GoPro batteries ranging from the Hero 5 all the way up to the Hero 10. There's little not to like about the battery charging bank, making it easy to recommend.